Finally unraveling my 40-inch locks. This is just leftover ugali from yesterday. This much shading, it's actually a lot if you ask me, but my and that is perfectly combed. So I'm gonna bring, come on, focus, and cabbage. Damn. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Sijui video itakuwaje, but I just hate to come and showcase my makeup. Mimi niliamka 7 kufanya makeup kuja kupiga picha. Clap for me guys. I mean damn. Guy, kumbe naweza kuwa celeb. I mean look at me. Spara rangi kila siku. Look at my makeup. You can't even tell that I have 2 colors on my eyeshadow. It all looks gold.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. Now you know, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
Hi guys, I've not just removed my makeup, but I've just removed my lipstick because I don't like eating with lipstick. And then my usual lunch, you guys know, if you follow me consistently, this is potatoes, come on focus, and cabbage. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some groundnuts. I'm actually, yeah, and that is our lunch for today, you guys. Oh my god, my makeup is scattered. I need to remove it, but I'll do that in the evening. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna remove my hair finally today. I mean, the pictures came out so bomb, and I feel like I don't want to remove it because I'm in love with the hair again, but I'm like, I'm going to return it anyway after maybe next month, so that I give my hair 1 month to rest. So I will unravel it. Maybe I'll see you guys later after I've done that, because I'll do it in the night and I can't vlog in the night, so it is what it is. But this is my lunch. Keep on watching. I don't know if you can see me, but it's 6 in the evening and I'm almost done. I definitely have a lot of detangling to do, especially on the roots. It just looks so disgusting, but I'll do that through the night. Tomorrow guys, you'll see me with my fresh hair combed out perfectly. But yeah, it wasn't really quite hard except on the roots, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we are done. Yay! Finally unraveling my 40-inch locks. Good morning guys. Today is on Friday. Aki wiki imeenda mbio, maybe because there was a holiday in between. Happy new month. Today is on 3rd June. Yesterday, actually, I did not do any detangling, but I thank God I finished like removing the locks because the lights went out and like they came back like 8 p.m. and I was already tucked in bed and I wasn't going to like wake up and start doing this hair. So now it's 9 a.m. What I want to do, baby girl has been lazy. Have you ever tried like not washing your clothes for like however long your clothes can last you? That is the stupid thing I did, and at least I did it because now I realized I do not have enough tops. So the next time I will ever think about going shopping, I know that we'll have to buy more tops than dresses and trousers, you know. And I also realized that I love dresses more than trousers. That's because I love comfort. Anyway, I want to wash my clothes. You see the whole of that Nigerian bag. You always see it in Nigerian movies. That's why I call it Nigerian bag. It's full of dirty clothes, full of my clothes, dirty. And this is what I've selected to wash today. Like I'm just washing the heavy stuff, like jacket, my jackets, the one I used to cover my bed, that kashuka thing. And my beddings, that's my sheets. I'm actually tempted to wash my blankets, but I'm like, what? It's so cold. Anyway, so I'm just washing the few. Like I'm also washing a few my trouser, my sweatpants, because it's good for the cold. I'm also washing my towel and this heavy dress here, just the heavy clothes, and my nighties, because apparently all my nighties are dirty. So that's all I'm washing today, and then I start filming my Christian content and stuff. I just start my day just to work, normal stuff, And then that's when I will do this detangling. That's why I'm not washing all my clothes, because it will last me forever, so that I can spare some time so that I can detangle this hair. It's gonna be a lot of work and a lot of hair breakage. I'll be so careful. So yeah, that's my day today. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'll check with you guys later.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back.
Guys, it's 1 a.m. in the afternoon. The lights have gone again. Can you imagine? And my phone is 20%, so I can't even I can't even go online and do the work that I'm supposed to finish because I've just gone for 1 hour. But I'm hungry. And today we are having githeri. This is just leftover ugali from yesterday night. And if you know me again, githeri is, and cabbage is one of my favorite foods. So yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy this. Watch a vlog that I've downloaded. My mouth is watering, guys. I'm hungry. And then I don't know where I'll catch you guys, because it's Tima, man. Does it not know I'm supposed to work? You know what I mean? Anyway, yeah, ispokuja, I will just start doing my hair while I wait for it to come. But yeah, githeri and cabbage. Hi guys, it's 1 hour 15 minutes later. The lights came back, by the way. But I'm done with the back. No, it's just one of these, and then this quarter here. It's quite easy. This is my little setup. I've used this to hold my mirror. This is my eyeshadow mirror. And shading. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. This much shading. It's actually a lot if you ask me. But my front is the one that has suffered. So I want you to watch me detangle this one. Then you will know how I've detangled the rest of my hair. One thing that has saved me is this. This is a mixture of water and the conditioner I'm using. Just any conditioner can do. Yeah, so you just mix it together. It's like it melts the nini away. You know the way these two things appear here after you've braided. Anytime you meet a problem, you know, like it's hard, all you do, you see now it can't separate. I just spray more. It's like it melts the thing away and makes it so softer and smoother.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make
Just do it slowly, and then you see the white stuff. I just brush it off with my hair toothbrush. You see, it's coming off. It's a lot of conditioner, and you do it as slowly as you can to minimize breakage. And then I do finger detangling before I comb it out. And then here we go. Start from the roots as slowly as you can, and you come from the ends to the roots, roots, and that is perfectly combed. So I'm gonna braid this part. So here we are. I'm just done braiding it. I feel like the front part made the zilikwana a lot of gel, so like when I'm removing that, you know, those two whitish thing, it comes with a lot of hair. I'm here to end this video. It's been long enough. I'm done working. It's 5 in the evening. It's time for me to shower and just relax, read my book, watch a vlog, do whatever. So thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which hair content you want me to bring, because now we are back to hair content for a while, for just a few weeks. So take advantage, tell me what you want to see, and I'll see you on my next video. Adios. My hair has grown. Hello.
the beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah.